Alright. Taking it. It's not running. Heat pump. Do this. Here's a refrigerator. The brand is wet. It's not running. Looks like it's off anyways. Here we have, what's the brand? A Larkin unit. Something's not running. Fan blades are spinning. It's the wind. Heatcraft. More heat pump. Alright. Whoa! Here's a New York. There's a newer York here, which replaced an older York. There's a Glide unit. 4-blade. The data sheet. Alright, for this. Alright. This is actually running. Nice. These same two are running today. Down's off. Okay. Alright. Here's the Sanyo double stand. Not running. This is a Samsung. Oh, it lost her screw. So it's not right. It's faded. For this. Alright. Get some heat pump. Here I have a Mitsubishi Electric C Multi. Heat pump too. Dog barking. Okay, for this. Alright. Here's a Fujitsu unit. The knuckles in it. This is not right. It's way far down. Here we have a Samsung. Knuckle see it. This one's a 4-blade fan. This is not right. Okay. Right. Here's the Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim. This one's 4 blades too. Yes. Let's see what year one of these. I think it's an air conditioner. Right. Here's this. Alright. Here's this carrier right here. So it's not running. It has been running. This is an air conditioner. This is a 2-ton, I don't know what year, water. Alright, got 2-man duckle see. No, not duckle. It's central air. They're not running. We have a Daikin duckle see. This one's not running. This one's a heat pump. Here's this. Here's this heat river unit. Alright. Here's a Heil unit. June 2024? Oh, it's the year. Nice. It's new. June 2013. That was old. This. Right. Here we have a Carrier Infinity. This is not running. December 2008. That was old. Here's a Goodman. 13 season. Whoops. This. It's the duck see it. This is not running. Here we have a Carrier Tech 2000. This is not right. Do this. Sanyo with Fujitsu. Right. Here are some 3 Carrier Tech 2000s. I'm not gonna get for this. Here we have another Carrier Tech 2000 and a Sanyo. Sanyo. Okay, right. Here's a Tempstar, a Coleman. In 2020, Forton, the Coleman, 13C. Logo. All right, here's a new Goodman. This one replaced the Carrier. An old, yeah, a lot, right? That looks like a pool here. Surprising there's no dashi on that. Goodman. 13C. It says Dakin, just like at Bank of America. This. Here's, you see it? No dashi on that either. That's it. Well, it's faded. Alright. Here are a couple of Fujitsu double seats. Alright. Mitsubishi. Heat pump. The Bill. The Lex and a Fujitsu. That's not right. Fujitsu duckle seat. This is not right. Alright, here's the Fujitsu duckle seat. It's not right. The heat pump. Look at this. Right. Mitsubishi Electric. It's not right. Right. This. Wait, the Armstrong here. March 2011. Okay. Well, Staken's ring. Okay, that's it. So thanks for watching.